Hi, I'm Matt from Filquip, and today I'm here to talk to you about our range of Eurac clamps, which are often referred to as Morris couplings as well. We carry a range of these on the shelf ready to go in stainless steel and in galvanised. We can do them in a FDA seal or a standard EPDM seal. Low temp and high temp range is available, and for high pressure, extended brackets to hold them on the pipe together. They're used to connect pipes and tubes together with a relatively quick manner as opposed to welding or flanging. So, when we want to connect a Eurac clamp together, we've got to check the earth strip is exposed on both sides because that's going to touch to our pipes or tubes to create a single earth through the whole pipeline. We need to make sure our surfaces that we're going to connect are dry and clean, free from oil and any other things like that may affect the sealing. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure the 150 millimeters long on this clamp particular. They also come in 200 millimeter long and 100 millimeter long short clamps, but 150 is our standard we stock. So I've got 150 millimeters, which is 75 millimeters on each side. So what I'm going to do is mark 75 millimeters on each side. I'm going to connect together, just so I know that the two pipes are butted together, which is going to be very important as part of the installation, and they're roughly in the center so they're even. So normally I'd scribe that the whole way around the pipe at that 75 millimeter mark, but today I'm just going to look at this mark as we fit it together. So this is a Eurac 76.1, which is a 3-inch tube clamp in stainless steel. It's our M series. And I'm going to connect these two pieces of 3-inch tube using this. So we loosen off the bolts supplied and we simply slide it in, checking that earth strip to make sure it goes in nice and clean. Just reached that 75 mil mark. I've actually gone a little past it, so I'll come back a touch to there. Next one. Oh, see I've gone too far now. Slide that in. It butts up, but I've gone too far, so the mark's not visible. So I can come back, hold it on the mark, and push that in. Mark on each side. Pipes are butted together. If I wanted to, I could then turn my piping arrangement to suit what I want to install on site. Check my marks again, check it's all buttoned tight. Then, referring to the instructions, I can see that for this series of clamps, it's an M8 bolt with 16 Newton meters of torque required on the fittings. So I take my torque wrench and I set it to 16 Newton meters of force, 16 there, and we progressively tighten the bolts. So these are really loose at the moment, so I can finger tighten them to start. They actually have a square fitting in the cup head, so you only need one torque wrench to tighten them up. You don't need two shifters or spanners to try and get it together, and all those problems you can have carrying all those tools on site. So then we progressively tighten them until we hit, in this case, our 16 Newton meters of force. And that is how you tighten a Eurac clamp.